Hello everybody, my name is Abdul Sabur and I welcome you guys back to the platform of Statsbuddy.net. Today we are going to be looking into how can we use Statsbuddy, excuse me. Today we're going to be looking into how we can use Statsbuddy to plot three categorical variables uh, using a column chart, and we're going to be discussing how we can do it through statsbuddy.net. So to start the process, I'm going to head into the analytics section, scroll down a little bit, and then get into the data visualization section with our the step number one is to add the file. I'm going to add my CSV file on which I'm going to be working. I'm going to press read file button. So for three variables as discussed in the x-axis, I'm going to add my first categorical variable, which is eye color in this case. And for the rest of the two variables, I'm going to be adding them in first facet and second facet. So my first facet would be gender and second facet would be preference. I'm gonna convert the second facet option to categorical variable. And then in the types of graph, I'm gonna select column chart. As soon as we're done with this, I'm going to scroll down, create a code for our, copy this code and paste it in our Studio Cloud. Once I do that, on the right side of the screen, you guys can see that there are the column charts with three variables, three categorical variables. The first one being eye color of the purchaser. The second one is the gender of the purchaser, and the third one is preference of the purchaser. So that is one way how we can uh, plot three variables. But we can also introduce some variations into it. And for that, if I head back to Statsbuddy, we can add colors into the graph. And for that, I'm gonna unselect second facet option, reset it, and then add the same preference option into the fill section, and also press the change to categorical variable. Using this option would add colors into the bar charts. And secondly, I also want to introduce another variation, which is instead of stacked bar charts, I'm going to have side-by-side bar charts. And I can also press the flip coordinate button to flip them around and make them visually appear in a different way. So I'm going to now copy the new R code, take it again to our Studio Cloud, paste it there. And on the right side of the screen, as you guys can see now, we also have colors which represent preference in different forms. However, the categorical variable account is still 3, and that is how our column chart would appear if we use this option. So today, that was all for today, and see you guys.